Traveling by air can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year, especially if you take more than 1 or 2 trips. However, with the right strategies and techniques, you can easily save hundreds on flights every single year. Hack 1. Use discount travel sites. Some of the best deals tend to show up on discount travel sites rather than directly on airline websites. Sites like Expedia, Travelocity, Orbitz, and Priceline let you search across multiple airlines at once, allowing you to find the cheapest flights quickly. They also have coupon codes, special promotions, and access to other discounts that can save you money right off the bat. Consider using these sites to search for flights before directly checking airline websites. You'll often find lower prices this way. Hack 2. Use Google Flights. With a little know-how, you can use Google Flights to consistently save hundreds of dollars every year on airfare. You could use the Matrix View, price predictions, and many filter options. The Matrix View shows you flight prices on a calendar, allowing you to see when flights are cheapest at a glance. Price predictions estimate if prices are likely to go up or down in the coming weeks, so you know the optimal time to buy. You can filter results to show only non-stop flights, certain airlines, or those leaving or arriving at specific times. This helps narrow down options to what you need. And Google Flights automatically searches across over 400 airlines, so you know you're getting the absolute lowest prices. To get the best out of Google Flights, try searching monthly to see the best prices for upcoming trips. Enable price alerts on routes you fly often and compare multiple destinations at once. Also, search for prices from alternative nearby airports and consider flexible dates as prices can vary significantly from day to day. Hack 3. Sign up for airline loyalty programs. Another important move is to sign up for loyalty programs with the airlines you fly most often. These programs award you points or miles you can use towards future flights based on how much you spend. They will also offer you perks like free checked bags, seat upgrades, and early boarding. The loyalty tiers tend to offer increasing levels of benefits and discounts the more you fly with that airline. Even if it's just a couple of flights per year, the loyalty programs can save you money and add up over time. Hack 4. Track flight prices. Instead of impulsively buying the first flight you see, take the time to track prices over multiple weeks or even months. All too often, the initial price you see for a flight can end up dropping substantially if you just wait a week or two. Use flight deal alert services that will email you when prices drop or rise back above a threshold you specify. Many major travel sites also let you set up price watch alerts directly on a specific flight or route. Be patient and wait to purchase until the price is as low as possible. Hack 5. Fly midweek for cheaper tickets. In general, the cheapest days to fly tend to be Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. The most expensive days are usually Fridays and Sundays. Airlines know that business travelers commonly fly on Mondays and Thursdays, while leisure travelers choose weekends, so they price tickets accordingly. If your schedule allows, consider flying midweek instead of on weekends to potentially save hundreds of dollars each year. Even if you have to take a day off work, the difference in ticket cost can more than make up for that. Hack 6. Book several connecting flights at once. Increasingly, airlines practice dynamic pricing where ticket prices constantly change based on demand and other factors. This means the cost of 2 one-way flights booked separately can end up being considerably more expensive together than if you book them as a single round trip. The round-trip fare benefits from a discounted bundle price. So even if you're flying from point A to B and then from B to C, consider booking those connecting flights as an A to B to C round trip at the same time. You'll likely save money, especially during busy travel seasons. Hack 7. Use incognito and other tricks. Many airlines track your previous searches and ticket purchases in order to show you higher prices over time. They assume that if you've searched for that flight before, you're willing to pay a premium to get it. Using an incognito or private browser window can sometimes help avoid this dynamic pricing. Other tricks include clearing your cookies, using a different device to search, and trying alternate airports if available. Even simple moves like this can occasionally lower flight costs, though results do vary. The last hack: fly unpopular routes. The most popular routes between major cities tend to be the most expensive due to high demand. However, if there are multiple options to get from point A to B, consider flying on a less popular route with a connection instead. These secondary routes often have lower prices simply because they're less crowded. The extra connection time can actually end up being worthwhile if it saves you a couple of $100s or more. Look for alternate routing options whenever possible, and be open to flying on smaller regional aircraft instead of only major airline jets. A combination of these strategies, from taking advantage of loyalty programs and discount sites to flying midweek and tracking prices carefully, can truly add up and save you hundreds of dollars each year on your flight costs. With just a bit of planning and the right techniques, you can significantly lower your annual air travel expenses and have more money to enjoy your trips. Start using these tips the next time you book a flight and see how much you're able to reduce your fares. With persistence and patience, big savings are achievable with a little effort. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and also share the video with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.